kids. And he knows good. Like if Mthimbani show fun, we won't have time to listen to Xphola. Funani. Okay. My baba jaro flying bacha danuna city. Oh, even I'm gonna they channel that man. Oh,
ni live ka interview ya mai baba se unlock ta improve la ku a yi tsikanangi inkomo ni ta vuyela hansi
I mai baba
vavhakachesi vamwe vatsaka vakoye kuti mathosikiriki
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
I'm gonna tala mina. Like that's fair vote.
wa lava a wu lava
It doesn't. My baba jaro kula imbacha danuna city. Oh, you money I'm gonna they channel that man. Oh, they channel that matters the most. And humble quarter. Walava, our love, was hey, money I'm gonna they only channel that matters to watch. Oh. This video, I think it's a special one. Mthimbani challenging Xphola. For me, I think so Mthimbani, firstly, post whatever I posted, and then you reply to my comment and say something like, "Ana nigga chance, ana nigga album may change the world chance." That's one I report number what beefy funny when I mean now. A man if I know respond. So let's get one thing straight before we get to the content, the main content of the video. Hip hop entertain why beef. Don't be by this was in front of a kid. Wanna money, you are the best. It's pretense, by the way, those things. Huge pretense. Simple. Hip hop, I ain't learn song, man. Hip hop on its own, like it must play a very instrumental role in terms of motivating and uplifting and challenging the status quo. And if you listen to this other song, yeah, corruption, yeah, Mthimbani, that's how hip hop should be. Change the world. You know, that's how hip hop should be. Dissing each, that's hip hop, man. That's its culture. Ungabhazi sivani wona batwa ngo hip hop go chance. Na itiba ku hip hop ayabula bulungu. Why do this? Njengisa kubotala bangwe mere hip hop aneti usese zinto kuti buma bhume. So that's why I don't like those things. Wanna man. But people must have good relationship to keep this industry going, and there must be some form of unity to grow this brand Tsonga rap. My work. Yeah. Tsonga rap ukatsa hinkwazi ku rapa na ku trapa hinkwazi na machakana man'we hinkwazi katsa kwala ka ndani. So Mthimbani challenge Xphola ku va ya ka next ka chavi CMC. Posting one show. I hate to say this, but next is the biggest Facebook show. No cap, no lie that is being told there. So that's a popular fact. It's a biggest Facebook show. I'm sure it's a biggest show, guys. Even as YouTubers, we know. I had a diss track ya Caterpillar kari disa mapele shuku mapele una jealousy uringete na ku endla a show ya ko I hlanganeni I rhandzaneni magaza ala ku destroy next. It's a nice diss track. I don't wanna lie, I enjoyed it. Yeah, so loko Mthimbani a challenge Xphola or Xphongo swin'wana na swin'wana so loko Mthimbani a challenge Xphongo to a rap battle ka next, for me it's a very great idea. But before kuba na but, and Xphongo uthi angana nkarhi wa ku tlanga na vana, I don't have time to play with kids, and he knows good phela like if Mthimbani show fane we won't have time to listen to Xphongo. Funani? Okay, bye. So we know those things because that guy can't make music without dissing Mthimbani. The only thing that is relevant is because of Mthimbani, and Mthimbani can make good music like your other popular artists, guys. But now we're on hip hop today. So for me, that's a great idea. Here's a but you like our ended this thing, you are more commercialized, even a financial incentive kuba ended this thing. So what must they do? Look, I was gonna challenge it. I was gonna pull up them in a hall or somewhere. This event organizers who have money and say what presents, provide them, sell tickets, and then after that event there must be after party. Then you can call your Beni or what after party. But in the main event, for the after party, the artist dance, and then the closing event we know maybe they must be given like 15 or 20k each, because they will be the main people of that event. It's a rap battle, man. Who's going to see who's going to win. So I'm not being jealous of Bushiro or because maybe Atanka channel I mean about the rap game. I'm not being jealous. Even Bushiri has kind of enough sponsors that he can take this as an opportunity to make it an event. Because make no mistake, I may not like Bushiri, but Bushiri is a very great marketer. He knows how to market events. Also, to market Bushiri and that event it was successful. So, in my own opinion, problem you you just want to go to a show and then let's make it an event, and we'll make these two people, these are the face of rap, man. Leave those things for now. Let's focus on Xphongo and Mthimbani, king, screensaver, man, fan parent. So in my own opinion, if someone sees this video, please let's grab this moment. I'm gonna be there wherever the event will be, even if it's in Mozambique. I'll go. I will want to see this one going down. So if someone is there watching this thing, or you know someone who can finance this thing, and they will obviously make profit. You can't just finance something and not make profit. Just put your money in and let's call them together, pay them, pay the other artists, sell tickets, sell alcohol, and they make money themselves. Like if you want me to be part of your this thing, I can be part of it for free. By the way I want it, seeing Mthimbani destroying Xphola. That's what I want. Was when Xphongo is talking that Moses why it is. So yeah, that's what I would want. That kind of energy I have now, because now I trust Mthimbani. Mthimbani is Temba every day, every hour, 365 days a year, a decade, a century. That way I trust Mthimbani. But genuinely, I would want to see this event going down, man. If someone is out there, let's finance it. Why? Now one posts something called Pilan is failing Mthimbani because Mthimbani took that opportunity because thought Mthimbani organized that event. Well, that's a popular fact. And then you want to compare Mthimbani could be compare tamatisi na apula ra dura. Leswi nga apula ri dura ku chekiwe swilo swo durha ndzeni ka rona. Could be let me say this, could be is financed by, let me not mention a name, but the guy has like simple like that. Yeah, you go. Yeah, I don't want to mention the venue because it's a popular venue. So could be is being managed by someone who has money, someone who's connected to artists, someone who's connected to event organizers. So she was simple for this guy to accommodate gig total. And also it might be a brand to advertise this guy's businesses. He just got something as a brand ambassador. So comparing Mthimbani now could be, it's a very good example, but look at the dynamics. It's not like for you to be rich, you don't need a hit. You need a hit to be popular, but you need connections. That's why magic. You need connections to get somewhere else. You may make trash music. Let me give you this popular fact which might touch people. DJ Fund is angana hit at the moment. He has not been putting good music down. Ngoma lockdown. COVID-19. But the gig was kuma. Except recently in the last 2 weeks maybe. But the gig was kuma. Why do this? Why? Because he's connected and he's able to finance or pull his own events. Because why? He's connected to the right people who have money. Let me tell you something. Loko so kona van'wana va lo kukule vanhu van'wana vo va na jealousy hi vona hi leswi va nga tsarisiwa xiswona. So let's say Solumakam I go birthday celebration. If I have money or birthday Solumakam, I can pull up an event. No, do one birthday celebration and then he invite that in camp. He hakela na yena ngo birthday celebration go event. I event here I finance here. So that's why only few artists do birthday celebration because they have the financial mass. So I think magata kutira matimba, ufano utira matimba to get to a certain level to be known. But if people can associate your brand with them, but also Mthimbani is mara so you know what the funyo ni.
I'm so sad that I'm Balaman go Russia.
So Trangan still for 5 minutes a video, didn't take 2 minutes.
No farmer.
You will farm a minute.
Infant some, the Razo, and do something. No, when
so, and I still got win, but in overall perspective, you need the financial muscle to pull up this game. So people might say Mthimbani that, but in my own popular opinion, I think it's a popular opinion, of course. Npa only I think Makata Mthimbani is doing well. Also Mthimbani is very hard to associate with someone who puts on social media. It's wrong, that shit. It must be stopped. That's also lack of management. You can't have Pilani as your manager. That's a very stupid move. I said it before. Because Mthimbani can't tell Pilani can't tell Mthimbani anything. If Mthimbani decides to say, yeah, we're going on, he's going to do it. Like he's going to do it. It's going. There's a stupid guy called DMS. He puts but in overall perspective, Mthimbani needs to be financed. He's a great artist, a great lyricist. You know, I love Kenais, I love his creativity, but it doesn't go near way closer to Mthimbani in terms of lyrics. You will find punchlines in Kenais, but you will never find gag or Kenais focuses more on rhyming and rhyme because it's trap. They like the rhyming. Let's show empty. So listen to the lyrics that empty look are trap and he has this O sound each and every argument line. So that's just like the now Xikwembu loko ni languta kahle Xikwembu xa mina madlozi ya mina swi na khombo ni famba na yinini swi na khombo ene leswi swa ku a khombo loko a vuyela a ku a ni endli kahle matola ni wele hi khombo swa khombo like it want to produce that sound. So but comparing the two is also not there. neither there nor there, but I'm just trying to show how great Mthimbani is. But man, this boy, Xphongo doesn't get near way closer to Mthimbani. Mthimbani is the greatest of all time. And he's a Tsonga rap founder. My name is one before fun. When we say you are a founder, it's that you make it popular, it doesn't mean you started it. You might have found people doing it and tried it and failed. But the fact that this guy, Mthimbani, made it so popular for Xphongo to disrespect the king. Let's get someone to finance this event and let's get someone to talk to these people. Even if I'm not part of it, as long as I see the post, I'm going there. Xphongo versus King of Rapper, screensaver, undefeated, in God we trust. Mthimbani.